In this video, I'm going to show you how to merge two photos into one picture using Canva. This is a really simple trick that can help you create unique designs for thumbnails, posters, or even social media posts. Let's get started. Alright, first let's add some images to our canvas. I'll go to the elements, since I recently used some images. I'll pick those again. I'll place the images side by side. Bring this boy image to the front, increase the size, and adjust their positions. Right now, they look separate. To blend them together, we need to use a free app inside Canva. So let's go to Apps and search for Image Blender. This is the app we'll be using. Click on it to install. Once installed, you'll find three different blend modes: linear, radial, and brush. The linear and radial tools are completely free, while the brush tool is part of the paid plan. I'll walk you through all three so you can see how they work. Let's start with the linear blend. Once I select it, the blending option appears right on the image. Here, I can adjust the blending points and position them where I want the two images to merge. There's also a strength slider that lets me control how smooth the transition looks. Once you're happy with the way it looks, just click on Save, and the blend will be applied. You can further adjust the position of the images if needed. As you can see, this creates a very smooth and natural transition between the photos. Now let's move on to the second option, which is radial blending. I'll add a new page and insert some different images from the Elements tab. After that, go back to Image Blender and select the Radial Blend option. This adds a circular tool on the image that you can resize and adjust however you like. It's perfect for creating spotlight effects or focusing on a specific part of the image. Once the customization looks good, click Save and the effect is applied. Simple and effective. Finally, let's try the brush blend. I'll quickly add some images to a new page. Open Image Blender again and select the brush option. This will add a brush tool over the image. You can decrease or increase the brush size from the settings, and then simply paint over the areas where you want the images to merge. It gives you full control and works like custom blending. Once you're finished, just save it, and the blended effect is applied. So these are the three blending options. Whether you use the free linear and radial options or the paid brush tool, you can create professional and creative merged images in just a few clicks. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more Canva tips, and let me know in the comments what kind of designs you plan to create with this feature. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.